Hi guys, today just I would like to share one of the education website which will help you for kids who are studying in CBSE, and this is absolutely free website which anyone can use it. Okay, the site name is called Khan Academy. In Google you can go and type the Khan Academy and you'll search it and you will end up over here. Okay, so before stepping into Khan Academy, just I'd like to share more detail about the Khan Academy. The Khan Academy is an American based non-profit educational organization. It's created in 2006. Okay, and they are helping our all over the world. They are teaching the maths, English as well as for the science subject, and those subjects are based upon the CBSE, and they are providing this education. Online education is a free education. So this educations will start from the even class 1, like the in US they used to say as a grade. Okay, so let's you go through that site and how it will work and how it will help you for your kids. Let's click the Khan Academy free online course. So you can register with your user ID password. So already I have registered my user ID password, so I can get the stuffs which use my kids. Okay, so if you go to the course, you can select the course which one you want to select it, and if you click the course, you will come to know what are the courses are available in Khan Academy. So Khan Academy, they have the courses like for the mathematics is the class 1 to 12, and you can use this. Also the mathematics foundation also is available, and also you have the specialized for mathematics in algebra and geometry and trigonometry, so calculus. So those also specifically is a very deep level also available. And apart from this maths, they have even science also. The science subject they are starting from the class 9, physics, chemistry, biology for 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th. Okay, you can utilize these links also. This is absolutely free, anyone can use it, and you can learn from there. So it's a very nice one. So instead of reading the book, all those things, you can note it here. You can any number of time you can go through these videos and you can do some exercise. Okay, so I will demonstrate the video for kids which they want to continue, so it can help for even parents also. So any parents, you can create the user ID password for your kids, and you can help your teacher to help your child to go through the videos and exercise, so that make your kids to be more exercise on the subject. Okay, so let's go to the class 1. So class 1, you can see the class 1 max is the Indian syllabus which they have. Okay, so here they are starting from the numbers from 1 to 9 and numbers from 10 to 20 and numbers from 1 to 100. So these are all the links which they have provided over here, and you can start the exercise as well as for a teaching also. The teaching will have videos as well as for exercise. So here we'll go through this how it is working. So these are all the links which you can use it. So I'm going through number from 1 to 9. So already my kid is completed around points which have are 1600. He covered already 1070. Okay, so let's go through one by one. So continue small numbers. Okay, so what is that? So when you click this here, you will come to know this how the he or she is completed his course and what level they have done for that, and each one be recorded here. Okay, so it's very simple thing. So you can go through a video. So if these are all things videos, and these are all the practice purpose. So you can see the learn as well as for a practice. So you can learn first and you can do practice, and your level of achieve will be monitored here. Okay, so here in this side the skill summary, you can see here like for which portion which they covered, the continuous small number, and quiz, how many months back they attended the quiz, and what level they have completed. So everything will be noted here. So this will help you to be future. So they can do the same exercise for practice a number of time. So whatever a number of time they are doing the exercise, that will be recorded here, so that you can track the quiz. So what is the first 5 months back, how they attended, and after that how they attended. So you can track instead of sitting with the kids. You can give the access to this site, and they can learn more about their educations. Okay, so continuing with small number, we can start over here. So how it will work here? So
put 7 squirrels in the box. All right, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 squirrels. I've put 7 squirrels in the box. Let's keep going. This is lots of fun. Put 4 squirrels in the box. That's even easier than putting 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. I just click on the squirrel and then drag it into the box. All right, hopefully we see more animals. Oh, here we go. Horses.
okay, so like that way you can do your videos, and after that you can go for the practical exam. So here if you click here, so it will ask for the 7 questions will be there. You can, let's go, and it will ask the same activity which what they showed in the video. So it is asking for 8 ladybugs in the box. So you can track 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So now you can check the mark. Yeah, so it is done now. It is very nice. So your kids will be enjoyed. Okay, same thing for the 6. So if they are making mistake, instead of they are making the 5, they are instead of 6 they are making only 5, you can check the answer. It will say it's not done. So you can redo that same thing, and you can validate again. So like that your kids will get more enjoyed. So definitely this will help you for your kids. Okay, take care, and ask your kids to continue the same. Thank you.